Hey, what's up, guys? This is my first tutorial on my little brother. This will be a high ball taper. Right now, I am going in with the number 2 guard open, and I'm stopping right there so I can clip or overcomb that part and later on in the video. Right now, I will be using my first guideline with my Slimline Pros. Getting it close to ball right now. Right now, I am bottoming them out with my wall shavers. Mind you, flick out when you get just right before that guideline. Right now, I'm lever open with no guard. Now I switched it to the middle lever, and then I will close it right now, fully close it, just to get rid of that guideline. I'm going back in with my Slimline Pros because it didn't really take out that line. Right now I'm going with the number 1 guard open, about another inch. Now I got my half guard open, flicking out to that next guideline. And same method, we're going to be doing middle and then close. Right now, I am going with the lever open just to take out that line that I didn't take out with my half guard. Mind you, use your corners and you can drop notches if it's not taking out that line with the lever open. Right now, I have the 1.5 guard open. And I'm going to close it down from middle to close. Right now I'm going to be having my number 1 guard in the middle notch. And sometimes you're going to have to adjust your lever just to get out the line. Right now I have my Slimline Pros and I'm just shaving it just so I can go under it with my shavers. Go back with my shavers and flick out right before you get to that guideline so you won't make a harsh guideline. And if you do make a harsh guideline, just go downwards against that line with your shavers. So right now I got lever open and I'm going to do the same method, middle and then close. Right now I'm actually going in about an inch. doing some detail work. Alright, and now I got the one guard open. Now I got my half guard open. Lever to the middle. Lever chokes. You want to make sure you don't go too high above that line. Now I've got my 1.5 guard open. Then I'm going to close the lever all the way. Now got my one guard halfway. Now we'll be doing the other side. It's my little cousin Ricky in the background. He has a YouTube channel as well. His name is Ricky G. Right now I am wetting the hair to cut off about an inch off the top. Start from the front and in the back. Sorry for the for my fingers sticking out of the glove. Sometimes I get it caught in a plastic guard and it'll tear, or sometimes a scissor would snip it. Right now I will be clipper overcombing just the hairs that are hanging off. You can always do this with like the lever open. I choose lever open, more comfortable with it, or you can also use a one guard close or just the lever close. Whenever you're doing clipper overcomb, you want to have the comb at a 90-degree angle. You want to make sure that the bottom of the comb is touching the head. Just prepping up the lineup, getting his baby hairs out of the way so we can make it crispy. Right now I'm gonna put Tomb 45 shave gel so I can straight razor that lineup. You always want to stretch that skin so you don't cut your client. Right here, I'm adding texturing powder to his hair. Just getting it all in there. Getting that nice texture look. He's crazy. He's a crazy kid. Getting my styling comb and just combing it through. This is the cut, guys. If you like it, please like, subscribe, comment on the video. Any feedback would be awesome. Thank you.